electoral commission for the Abetuda says it's a done deal from the 18th of April to the 30th of May, and number started a compilation with your mayor exhibition. Is it August? Now we are now almost a lot of reasons why Ghana will need a new voter register. Now the inter-party registers again new voter register. So the reasons commercial to NDC, PPP, and other political parties. And no more civil society organizations.
Civil society.
The 18 civil society organizations.
18 I come just here the dozen. You want more civil society.
But when the moment want to make argument.
Oh, that means I won't say higher because you say at the end you betro and at the end so you tro. And you know who are when you ready so betro. The best I is over traffic.
I didn't hear new voter register.
You hear new voter register. Eddie cannot just say, baby, I drew crown a new year system altogether. 2020. You shall be as a for. I know you have the first point. Second point, and register. Kasano a moon naho Eddie can start to send Ankasa Bekai. I think 20 or Bekai say register no a bruise almost about 200,000. After a jam on Wakasa compile register no or my says a dimbia buremu no one to me for a penny day and coin frimo. I thought to be over Ramadan and in an abino Massimo Modico Cotia. Quite in the catch room say, Yenny Dino or Momudi NHIS no frimo. That's also woman any pabbe 500,000 50,000 as a 5,000 why. Omanye, and after Mukrano, you won't free mono. A betting about say Binmukran opportunity to register again. Omomunya Bikrana, a register mono. It may appear must be a double registration. It be a Kokrana Yenya day, Yaman and Twaba. After toss will be on Major say the issue of regions I had to know. Fofrono e demand is also a new register. Ya buy no na Ghana ya kwatu about 2016 no. Near what 10 regions. Since ya can say you was 16 regions. And then you ID card. Every region be how on the code. Every region. I say we ba Shanti region F. Oko region be an there. Now, what your coordination so o polling station number no e was so. What I say, and send a constituency no. It is a day when you know, not that near war voter region. Yes, I will OT region. First landing in a voter, and they will voter you OT. It's one of the use to Sako Dana voter region, they use to know. Oko Western region, I mean, is a Western North and Ameboa. The
Western region.
What Western region?
Not Western North, yes, say, BBN safe.
Very good. It is one of the use to Sako Dano. One of the use. First, only upper east, upper west, and northern region, and the Savannah Beckham. Woman in answer code back.
EC has a way of it.
To come on the data.
The code is code. They say so. You generate it. You can just generate the code and give it to them.
Generating our farm, no on farm could just stage was ended there. What I say, and after so the back was say, okay, I want to say, says here, and Omobayi, a Quanya Media Quanya Beba, Sebia, Ubia Basso, Peso, presidential candidate, and as obey ya. Go around the country. I'm a Yako endorsement. Says there will be back no endorsement now. Could be no the Bako Yajima. Ninjas was a bus system. So, and the majority no was here to me. The issue of cost to know a memo. HSA and this is for Casano. Omagaza himself, limited registration exercise. I will be 2016 Yano. I cost to for 480 million Ghana cedis. And the idea for the whole Ghana no, I 390 million. It will cost to Nana, what can I say? After this will be no, what was your first canon, a first canon. Every sector of government, Biano, the allocation I demand when it comes to budget allocations. Obin to me for the budget allocation. And Quakoya will be there and Famano. And there was Obia didn't lemo. Electoral Commission, Omoya mandated to do the job. And a Jumana Omoya, meaning is Ometiamra. It's what we say. But didn't want to have on one part. No what's Nefi. Ghana has a Edintrono and yet by force. Abatono and yet by force. And to be there, you could throw the now their own control. Quatrazi, Quasiche, or then a bush of Fobeca control. And the one panel on the Canasa. I never some young Canasa. Tell me, young co a friend saying, young co parliament, no, Yakaza, young Canasa, and you will be on TV. And the man and Papa also song go Bobisano. And so Benny. Eh? And also I say, MPP can say one call parliament, one contest or parliamentary election no more. And this is for Nipa de Koi, and then woman at parliament. 1998 three omuko parliament.
So you decided to boycott that. And your personal, on your party decision not to take it.
And only NDC party position, no pepe. NDC party position, and also pepe. Niya ko chodi ba na yen chodi ya from say friend kwaziche o te me tiasafo o ma me di say what dey say o papa dey say what dey say na wakoye o ye wi a wakofie o say anunti no me magana ba stansel because of that no ba ha no ba spend 9 billion what spend this car
9 billion
9 billion what say na me nyi cho na
first no their budget omo dispute sasa fabrication obi ni imagination
why say no cre Nanya of African can say, well, they are going to use $1 million to put a cry to a standstill. And also, so yeah, huh? He manona minche unikoma, Papa. And I have to say, everybody use $1 million, and they are bringing Accra to a standstill. Why are you not here? Now, Omuko around, and yes, can here. Sorry, and yes, can here. And that's why you got to say Omuko as Omuko. Sika go for just say to no yes, I'm getting Omuko Tamale wante. 300 million. It was this say. I want to go popo. But me the bottom line in say. Edino ya betro. Try ya no. Ya try say. Ya be say registering in for. A letter commissioner. Obeka ya maybe a twemo. Let my vote count for cause ya penny voters register. Yeah. Easy say. Ye timi fama. Anameboa.
Sa pepe.
So man ye. Now, easy for now, Kasa na call for a new voter register. Who at that time, no now see Yama easy in the Jumano. Was the easy in your autonomous or Timmy and the Bibia Ope? Jomama, some Wakaka, when I said, look at ya, leave the easy alone to do their work near daddy. And the more Babakaze, easy in Momo, and I am Prema easy in Yanajuma. Now, who born dog? Kajo say easy no by Yanajuma. Obia means is Obia. And I believe that they back one make a John the Papa. Man, so can say. And your PT in the decide my school. Say the no jataba person or popot no. PTA,
but PTA only a stakeholder.
PTA is stakeholders, yes, but they don't decide for the school.
Exactly.
School
but
school
to me family.
Papa, that then I was so school knows to say. I did win or yeah, that's a beboa. Obey. PTA they will no be siano de adwendwena Oh, I did we young fanfara and I'm more bibia mo de beboa. No more banana de beboa school no. Yeah, ebi o ya man school ya simbia mo miensi pense classroom bi ma wo mo yen ko si dormitory ha yenye we na nyina PTA ne ya ba ne abadwendwene ho ya pese ye we de bo amo but yenye PTA ne decide ma school what I say I pack no decision what the beba parties no be trans wo mo ni electoral commission no and I was so tell say and only the political parties no kwan na IPAC no trans their bodies am gidi so mo ka ho awo ba beboa na wo mutimi adwendwene sade no ni nyina ho enti no wo mo adwene ho na se aka say ade wo se ne pese ya isi no fi say ade no ye correct na beboa obeye isi bia obebe bia no wo ne timetable a opese wo de ye adwuma the timetable no so ahyehe wo so kan ho say Ghana mremo no 7 December na wo se eto aba register no also to me presenting by the by 3 months before election. I think that is what Emrano Eka. And you know say Saturday when you know no way na adwuma na wo ka say wo stop no me ma ya ma ne nye ba who call crook ya be ye say near that fe na akoye tangential sa or ye fe data ba no tiwa ye didi nkofo atemfa ye hudi free no ne dia na ne say o person tro din a da na ye be bie 18th no ye bia ko na ko tro wudin isi ni beba aba be transe wo de ni fidie beba aba be transe wo fi se da no unko na unko twodi a ye fine no atrafie wo fi se de isi kan ye papa ma wo se kona ko twodi no na wakono akotwodi but entimi nko ba se because say NDC ni bi si won penti no e wo se ade ni yetwa
why you saying NDC for because NDC for kona
because NDC for and civil society organizations bi si wo mun pe no enti yetwam what be that omu ko na te Ghana ha is that what you are telling me? So omu kwa na te Ghana ha no omu si omu mpenti no yentwam ana se bibia bebe bia no ombeka so omu mpani atwam bibia omu yade bebe bia ombeka so omu mpe edi no misro papa enso so sa de ne so
Kukrantumi
ya ma kwan na Ghana for no ya electoral commission na o ye na djuma no ya ma ne kwan na onye na djuma adjuma de bia o ye na se nye ne nyina ka se ye tena ne ahwe ne atene na ye fefefe ba edimi ko ye tintintintin se ye ma ne ntro by hook or crook de be ye no ye be ye de be ye no kwa se no ko face smooth level ko smooth level anu abetrase so bi one office was a men prema o nya adjuma ya ma obi adwuma se onye adwuma we a yede ama easy no so wa ye na anye yi a wono ne ebe hold no responsible wono na emra ono ne ebe so ne mu bibia beba bia briche bia beba bia wono ne ebe so ne mu wono so se ade a mepeni me ka emra bi na me use Mercedes Benz bi ye free switcha kwa ma be poso won se bi pono mu akwan bi dam sa be pie wo kumawu wa sa kwan no akwan bi dam sa be pie wo kumawu o fa chire sa no ha uwura kwa ma mu no fa chire ho aba be si kumawu ne basa yes ye basa no ye ko fa bomb bi so ana code bi o kan ayi kan na se pad accelerator na de no waye ase no pa ye na ja ayi ni so waye enti agyawa na ye hu sama bi eyusu motorbike ka on fa yeah over that you drive and no mun ko fa fit animra enti papa no hwe en no se wade we bi asi apen enti no ade code bi wo ne moto ni ho as waye bi sa obeyi no de atechira maye na yakwa akotobi enti ya man iska no so no o te kromu a o meto code ne bi ya de man no okotu wo no ne de na ese ne saka no ho no o de bechecha ade no timi de be du kumase no na jese e was ade na wo ho saa because ade afri kuma waba waja se ya ba ye no na wo se ade ko semester ne ko hwe de ya ko ne ko repair enti ya be se Ghana for ade no menyi ni sa adwumbo ne bia wom electoral commissioner no enya de wo no na be tra polling stations ni nyina ya adwuma enyo no na betra ho da bi bia wo bia no wo be agency mo be ba be ya adwuma no e say ye ma yakoma mrafo efu obi ani ba bia ko fo bi na pretend say wo bi be ba there's nothing to talk about.
Nhyira 1045 akosiche ono the regional communications director the Manu Patriotic Party MPP and amoti ne kamus media ne papa akwate kenyameke me represented the Nhyira of course me tuma media na bakofi asante na no pe Bernard kusia peer producer asante is streaming live our official Facebook page bomodia so be call now the comment at be kan my mouth remfi so be to me send voice note to the aba on 0244320564 0244320564 the banner pay be kan e the amount Alaji Sani senior ono senior communication team member edema NDC Ashanti Alaji me watch
ejo so papa
me bacha bokori
nyankopa adumayo na so
nyame adum Alaji yeni komo enuna my issue statement any Bernard Mona munim NDC for the Kataba Bonte in fact electoral commissioner acting in a bad faith essence munina nimsa komo akuhia that would be 30th yawo there be before say be an announcement to be but Omaba Bonte announce the date for the compilation before say date on sharing crab ba say eminent advisory committee and the IPAC needs to phone na be share until now mu resume the series of demonstrations because some suspending nyina any other activities nya de nyina but yenhwe compilation of new voter register and in terms of Ghana mama yen company you should dana
de dikan ma yene wo studio ha nyina achi ane o man nyina
ati for those
medas de edikan ansa na me ba sa issue we so me say if you be last week and last 2 weeks SMBCC na ya humtie
emudia here
oh de dikan Berman na akwasi adwuman
okay
kan chine gui chese me fasa akonya wesu mama otumfo na ma asante man nyina eni nyina yako Bema de emse be kan pa emse enrachi na me call swame me through police station ni mo ni picture bi ebo me hu ye kura me yam hye na me drive nti emse ayasem kese pa nana ayi ama Ghana wa ebi ama
104.5 FM
nti esese nana kwesi ya bona baso ne ya kai no papa
se benyentie se Joda Bay 27th and be 1 week no
no ko se me ba ho
oh okay
me ba ho enti no esega na manyina beboa ma yesu nana 27th eye Joda echinachi se chino kwesi
yeah
Joda ya komensia na yakoka otumfo ho na yesu na kwasi ana ya modem fedue ata ojam ne mani nyina na yere ya mo nyina yakọ sa semesi ye no sunsum ye no wo mo a na se emrebe mo a de sese ye no ebeye ne mum juada de esese obia ebo modin sie nyina be komanhia akotwa otumfu achi emana ayena na kwasi na wotweda no tino yema asantema nyina yakọ ne bia kan nyina de to so bio ye ne aya brand e ba kusidi se enene yeja wono so kwa mefa kunwa we nyina so ama ndisi fo ewo asantema ntem Ghana ma mu nyina yakọ nanka we are potential power for parliamentary candidate na nipa hyehyɛ ne nyankopɔn so ahyehyɛ nyankopɔn hyehyɛ no mom ne ana etabam enti yema busua na yere no ma yemo mu nyina hyɛden we are with them enti ye free ha ye nyina yebɛkɔ
it's labor
on what na ye nyina akɔ busua emi akɔpɛ na korabia
but me say asempak no meye
ebo donko
okay
o asempak ene ebeye ye no
okay
tinu ye fra dofo nyina so obi ameboa na ye ofa se ye ba ye nua ye bibia CD na ye gya no kwan na sme o de to so bio ene sa issue ya de ba aya asemdada ene ye kan say bia asem foforo yen yeto no obi ani ho a wo kan say sebe won penedin to wonyese no nemu no ade ba ko esese nyina ate ase ne say wiase mu ha ade ba ko pe na papa achinye nye ho
ene de here
meka kiro de aka nyina achinye wo ho de achinye ni ho ne se afe eyebosumi dumienu menhunu kura wo se afe eyebosumi dunsia udi ni June mu udi ni February mu Chinese fo de ya yare ya ba senko mu koluna mu no but eyebosumi dumienu eno de achinye de aka nyina bibia achinye wo esese ye tolerate obia view as democracy what did they mention and so will be no nyadwene issue so that doesn't make that person an enemy. So one French philosopher Voltaire was say, and I quote, I disagree with what you say, Papa, but I will fight to death. You are right to say it. Papa, what must say? Because as a man can no nyadwino. Nemo wo bia wo beka so obesi kwan ma waka asem na me no nyadwino no. Say ni panama no be kwa kopim se mewu. E che so obia wo right so view. De yen yehunu ene de oman no ehunu no. E different from de ebinumu hunu. I want to make that clear. And yen kofa asem mai. Asem ne say ya to aba any same fidie e president with this register
exactly
sa register ya no wo musi enye aye bloated ne nkeka ho no eno an e di president akufado you can eat your cake and have it ade enye nke so ka sa ade ne nyenti mu yi me president no kra mempe because ade amode eyi mi no enya de papa no waje now ojitum now you're president also create 6 additional regions yes a perform ya ma mo ana mo ba electoral commission in a babon tin be kan yo 98 plus something percent afidie ni ye kodio no munya se afidie no a perfect eba bibia ye kama ye firi ho ene ye de ba assembly elections ye firi ho ene ye de call unit committee elections saa de kro no a o ena wo ba ka che so saa ade afidie de credible so we mususu a ye de ato ma we nyina awie no afidie no ento ababia bi o gire bia yeduanum MPP fo abato a wo mo betui ene bia ye de be kɔ hɔ
no so no pon de omo de
o sa me ka so wo mo de hweso wo ho de me che no se ya mfa nkoso so
no internal elections ye info yes
enu ntino se enko de a na che sa asema o ka se afidie ne ye no na che se ye nyina ye gitum eye na wo se afiro na obeka che menti ase se obekɔ store akɔ set na wahye mfuturo gu mu ate se de mfuturo adokuru kumase o se shirt no minkosi mi ya to atwene o ka do echiram nam se I disagree o si da bi to ana me to atwene ono gun kwa se o to twene se ye won kwa wo shirt de a ne mo nya o man sika e na wo betu agusa ene esi chirichiri mu e na wo ka kire ye se sa bere pa akoto semina besi shirt no ne bo odin esi se be kwa akoto shirt mo no ene esi agreed fa nyina so wo gina so no saa ne ye no fa ba ne fa be kire ye ne chirichiri mu mi ante ase o si yo mu ntwe me de ba se bia ye be point da be ba de a be pem ne parliament kura busai wan fa nko nam chese bibia nu nsam a papa ade nu amo hu nsam man koda etitu nsaichi ba mu no mu se bibia ni mu also you don't report to IPAC no so a convention convention no duru mine bia na adane law sani akono a said ye emfa kasa man yesu wani tuemu a ye ni nyawo ansa ne be pren so kura me a ye ne mafa nyina wo mo an ne call IPAC parties no me kai mre bi wo mo call na kasa sie wo mo pia bonte abegyina kasa afalija ba teacher no abonisam wo se mo wie munwie a mmese me enkotrase asam ne de mo ye den a ye beka enu mu ne wa asumdwe social biometric biometric MPP ne propose you and so asatam ne wo power ye gigina mu kura senye but akire no wo mu ekotrans di abobo no ne hu asase mo mo ka no abawo yes ye reject bibia outright papa ne e pen so sa ampa asampa mo ka ne de no kura pa entino yanko biometric surface ye shase would tuomo osum eni ye firi anante a bedu ba bia ene ye woi mode ba ye pene so yanka asemboni bia won eni so se sa na te de a wono oba ye no dimension ba ye no ese se sa convention na de ye nyina ntam a ye di kro nu ko no yes ye beji achinyi but de bia ye ji achinyi wi a ba ko wi ni ba ko se o proposal a de ba ye no ni agia atum ni ekoyanim odi obaaya omuni ya wodi kum okoto foforo de aba ni esida bi kire ye mudi adekuro nti esese okoto foforo no usi weebuo emeche we ni esu yo yate fa nkrata no brey consultants no so a usi de bia wo no wo ye nim se wo mo ho na wo to mfidie no wo obi a wo to na de a wo na ma wo bob na se ma de na me to no nye dabi ena more or less unfortunately for Jimenez and Electoral Commission no mo nko na ye IT experts and now kwada bi wo house wo mo betena so kura papa se wo awunim kura che no you understand and wo mo se asama wo ka no ye ntra se o sore ya no afre wo mo mra me ntra se kan nyam so no kura hinfa no wiase mo ha set BBT set stakeholders meeting on something like election or see emergency meeting. emergency say yebusa wa mu o say ade a ye be pon no na ye ade e betwa mu
Alajo say it's a done deal. Now they have announce the date.
And no me ba ho
What time in China
time no so a mfidie na okoto no Saudi ka to mfidie ni ntam ni susu ye ene ye de ye referendum ote ase ene ye de ye assembly unit committees ni ehunu said the afidie no a function fa now no play here to Ethiopia say Boeing for plane 737 say mo no e crash I am no but the other 20 years 25 years no wo mo ko bada anything the wo kan me nyina trance ne mom no e me trance procos pese ye mra meeting ye ba ya o si mfidie na me koton say netie they are not part of the decision making. They are not part of it. And I'm saying Debbie, yanya sa. Dada de nyina yetu aba asumdwe wo mu a obi ye nyina na ekọ ne agiato. On this issue of so wo ma dwene I say date ne nkeka ho. Is it not true? Na no ye ba ha otumfo nyina frɛ sɛ Debbie. Mpanyimfo so wo pese wo mo na mo transe. Enti no monko na mo no mo kotase. Ne asu yo otumfo adaroma. Ya ne hwan o ka wi a eno ano no. Ya pene so enti no ye demonstrations ni bibia ye bia enam saasem a waka empanyimfo se ye mre nti no ye jai bibia ye ko ne ye no ma kohia osusu na sa nipa aduonu ba kun sa aduonu nu mu se sanyo una
alaji sifo mami
una odi wo mo ba ye so mu metufo una o mu hia no se da bi sade ade no esi kɔ no sebe asam kase ba franka nsi so enti ne yankɔ ne ani wo mu nyina nkɔ ye de nkɔ tena senka yesu yo yate o sa firi a o so media ma ya wi yen ye dibuo ma mpanyimfo no a wo opa wo mo no ye dibuo ama otumfo a ye no nyina ahya da ye ba bɛkɔ o so mawie na it's a done deal nya de a media meko. And nobody is talking about that.
Say,
the Jimenez Electoral Commission ayen. Yanyana sa. Say, yakasi yankwa, yan committee na. Yabeka say, yenye wo problem. But person who is obiate asese, yenye problem o.
Muni problem.
Gabi.
Muni problem kan.
Oh, me to boneti me. Any good listener is a good judge. Nka obo hu de empesa me kire papa. De empesa me kire ne se yes munyai ne e betra sa kasem. Ya prenso. Eno sam see any problem.
Okay.
Ya prenso. Ema bibia ya prenso. See enko meeting. O sa sorry I say ma prenso see enko meeting. Na meeting no kura ye kokoshi ya ye be kire me se de afidie no ene na. So that question of so umpo ebeba so no eno yemfa mu mai
me da sama me komra 4 minutes that's 5 minutes after 8 high inch 104.5 Alaji Sani Mohammed senior no yes senior communication member demand the National Democratic Congress NDC Washanti region and Motene Kano or say Kofi Akwa youth organizer at the CPP Conventions Purpose Party Ashanti region. Osekovi
office.
Papa, Bokode. Long time no see.
Yes.
Long time no see.
Yes. Papa, I'm here.
Yeah, fine. Afisha pa.
Afin come to here.
Afisha. Oh, okay.
I'm say ya mama santo akọ ya.
Na ayiri da be. Asa SKP kakra o.
I'm say February.
February, okay, all right, we'll get in touch.
So what the one did ye mama bia aja o ma aduane di efia da bia na meme da bia oja hokọ ya be di bunya I say state mama santo a am cha busuafo ama ene adwoa ene papa kunafo a o hwechire echia o munyina amefa konya woso na menchia be party fu nyina papa I've been away because my start national campaign tour very hectic
campaign tour on?
I'm going for national youth organizer, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, we must
yes. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Me wish you the best.
My start here. The reason why I have been someone saying FMD.
Oh, okay.
BBC and Town Kobe.
Okay.
I'm in Chaboga. I will tepa. I'm say I'm trying to pay UT. I'm say me Town baby. My member me acting national chairman Hajia Hamdatu Haruna Akwaba to the Central Region. My member Konya Wusu na me mami all the 16 regional chairman Akwaba to the Central Region. Be strategic meeting with her.
Okay.
My member Akonya Wusu na me mo me regional chairman Ura Emmanuel Gallo and then the Ebu Secretary Ura Abdul Salam and of course organizer Ura Sulemana. Member Omo Abu the way Omo si ahostu all the regional chairman Brown Baye. My member Kumasi Secretary House for Abaso. Omo Susuna ma me chairman no bibia dia mame and they have been very fantastic. Breakfast, lunch, ni bibia no Omaya mana kama pa. Mr. Besmaka ne Ura Francis Masha and Mr. Odoi and Madam Evelyn me church amunyi no pay. Papa, the issue of voters register, I've had a certain position, but then Mayor Libra Kakra.
Okay, CPP in general position here.
CPP
before I listen to your personal opinion.
Any position for now, because Central Committee was trying to deliberate on that issue, and but what the regional chairman was saying is say, Omodo Mufu say, and can maintain but and I'm say and because there were a lot of agitation because a debate. Yes, people know. You can say they say behind this year. Others say there are some corner that don't know. Oh, you group those for yes, those for no. Now Obia is spokesperson for the issue at hand. Others say the mood debate. So I was at this, until the all karma yes, the all karma no. Until we convince others no. There after that twaba. Until there was supposed to be a vote. I bet say you kwa na you kwa vote no didn't end. Anakasa ba ya nti amana nyai eti and I'm going to be very liberal. Be liberal because as I'm going to ayamra and say common sense. Nti I will say you try to carefully. Papa
say Kofi
1992 constitution. Ghana emra no a e kire de we asisi enioma ene aban dwumaku de we muso to enioma no. Eyi adwumaku bi. Sa adwumaku no ye ma na dwuma ba ko pe. On shena brano yen to aba e Ghana hanom na abato no aye beto no so no enya abato aye to wi a etire no etinye biama
sa pepe
if you say are free are fair and are transparent yene say adwuma no man ye ka tie ne say ensan say person ye adwuma ni ye ntino tenio
itie pa
eni say obi a tere de onye electoral commission no a pem ni nyansam no it is obi atende wonye etitem bia no ono anfo nyoma odigu akwan mu a ebeboa ema dwuma no awie paye na ye to abawie na salaji sane wie a obeja tum kotiche wie a obeja tum osekofi dinkunimu a obebo ne nsem so what as here na ye fa sane mani nyina nwu akwan mu eti na to commission mo obi anka na sem makosi kwenche kokyere no ma alaji sani nkoche no na mu senator commission person otu na mo bia obetima frey nyina no ne bobo ho na yesiginae enti ensanse yetaji argument yet you be fan IPAC interparty advisory committee
yeah
na mu ensanse ye nyina na e IPAC ne stakeholders ye nyina we interest obi a primitive ntino eni system bia chere electoral commission channel certain channel say no wonye. What is it? But as a senator commission, soon and ye judgment, common sensically. A terrible and say Casmo so tea. But senator commission cast what the Nimbra Noa 1992 constitution of the man on the year Juma and I'm going to be a Kuntabu. And the Bassam Naba. Electoral commission, yeah, say Yamana Konya, Yaman independence, and until all Ramian Twaba said the baby wine was say. Say baba beto aba 2020 nessa abato no obetimi atwa me ato niye pa se de be ya ebe wi no etinesi bia ma etokwa bia ma me kokot bia ma dia ene yema no kwan nanka voters register wo no osancho din fufuro papa wo ni
it's you pa
abato commission no ye na yi no yama na kwanya
so on hwe ema abato nko so Ghana ha se to aba ni wi a obi antene ho ase editam bia no onfa ne ma egu akwan mu a ebe masa abato no awie peye ife nwa akwan mu ana abato commission se metima asa adwuma mo se menye idi a agise 2020 mama me kwan na me churu din fufuro sa wo se logic mu a nyanse mu a agwa se bapa usu be di fufu so what I say
yeah
na wakate maame so na maame say nkwa be na ape usu we say the tabiam ye no we dey also pay ade no and the beef so what I say any fish kakra ne ade so
yeah
ade so no ope menkin a eposim oh meka ono ni ma de kro so so say that is it no
yeah
it will ka onya wie no maame ne say sadia papa sika ebe so ye dey enie eno no bedi nwati ne bisa wasam ya no
mitio pa
obato twede ye wanga so bedi fufuo no a egema yema okawo ase kwa santo awo yi ah ben odisika kokko yedu won ma woto nam bia bi taduane bia bi se de tena kwa yinyere be wuo no so that say we ne so udidi we ne so kama wa eno no utwa waja do enti logically ana by law no legally and electoral commission any fault bia or kwan said your waye if you say Ghana for say ye to aba ni wi a ye pese abato no awie asodwe mu said ye beya wantwi mantemo ase mempene ebisi ejinko ka say sa na mo no so tu a because nko nya the cooperation of all the political parties adentina ene electoral commission or yes supposed independent body electoral commission ya man adwuma so onhwe e ma abato no free fair and transparent yes o tu anamo abema adwuma na wo ye no ayese de sipa na fe ye kontokwa papa na madukundia
adentia
because politics MPP and DC for obi about the electoral commission aba obi about the electoral commission aba enunti
but what will be about the electoral commission? But it's a wrong.
How?
No, because Shalato say was not a time or so.
No,
Debbie.
No, wait.
No.
What always, Mami Show? Do you know who bought Afrajan?
No, maybe.
Do you know who bought Afrajan?
No,
I'm asking you a question.
Generalize Debbie. Who generalizes statement? You know, and I'm telling you, sir, Shalato say was not brought by MP NDC because not for the giant time or so, and therefore also be seen a name.
Now, do you know what Master Shalato say?
When I came
no, you see, that's the point.
No,
you don't get it.
You make
the point is, you see,
just accept
I'm not going to accept it.
You can
you don't understand my point. So listen to my point. My point is that yeah, convention proposed party, yeah, say to build strong institutions. Electoral commission go no, any president also go boni din. Yawo regional directors of electoral commission. Sanko phone nyina no bia timi di electoral commissioner. Nanka district electoral commission sinya kwa koshia ne yi miensa ne avetu omo so go betime electoral commissioner ndimo to aba no koma yibi nanka de sani pa no aba eba sa no a menka de making but the moment ya papa nya meka na president was a space I was say ne mama so say wa twena no ko sala ji san no pen electoral commissioner no akwati teya ono so stakeholder no antiasia because papa nya meka e stakeholder. And that's what I'm saying. That the NDC proposed, nominated, and made sure, say, Afrajan become the electoral commissioner. Domama came in and Salata said become electoral commissioner. Akufo-Addo is in, Ejames as electoral commissioner. And that's what the problem is. Meanwhile, Enka electoral commissioner, he's supposed to be independent. How can you be independent when you were nominated, vetted, and as a matter of fact, push in and as you push you by a certain political party? Maybe they make any answer.
Oh, they see for my mama.
Yeah, fancy from Jadoyen. I think, sir. I think, sir. Voters register. We could have maintained it and we could have used it.
Based on what reasons?
Based on the fact to say, Sende, Papa Nyamike, uko police station ko chudia udi papa nyamkene no na betwero udi ni sisa alaji sani ko chudia on ka say na me alaji sani se me nya alaji sani bio di alaji sani no be usuo police station na bia oda so tie no to aba no the same police station code voters ID card no the same voters ID card nsa we no the same video no enyini ana se say ayakoda na mfu abojise ene ya abojise no the same nsa no and these are the same biometric ayaka abokufa but today yen ni amana to commission adwuma ani ese adwuma no ye pese wo ye se de be ya ye wi a ye nya afiachi abufunu bia electoral commission say se metimi aye se adwuma no de amame nya nse rempe no ye me pene ne se mame twa odi fufuro na ma focus ana ai ye da koto aba eyi events president and de akoyi me no ya me mu nyina ya adwen mama mu refi se owura John Dramani mama bae no osema madam Sanoto se twa odi fufuro before I ba cho say di no na ye the voters register no wo ho asa ne ba be no biometric no vote no e dey to aba yi owura Joma mills any events na be dey tie president Mahama but oba to di fufuro so no dey doesn't matter say the inko for e da to aba ne that I used to say the same thing but revice man also I think say irrelevant because if there can be improvement why not it's media emrana say electoral commission ebetima ye na dwuma wa bra yen political parties no a ohwe ama ye nyina no yenya equal opportunity even playing field no yentimi nkyere no de wonye emrana so say ensan say ye pen free and fair and transparent into no electoral commission no internally ono ni munu no obetimi de nyomba bia sisi akwan mu a ofiri se na dwunu ni nyansa mu no ene beboa it is an embrane kadia papa is the MPP strong bigger than the constitution of this country yano
it will see for no
so asem is the MPP bigger than the constitution of this country
it will see for no
is the NDC bigger than the constitution of this country is the CPP bigger than the constitution of this country let's all respect the constitution says the electoral commission can ensure and will do what it is mandated to do. Let's allow the electoral commissioner.
Medase Ose Kofi Akwaye CPP youth organizer Edema Ewa Shantre Jina Motene can bring it a time to 19 minutes after 8. Number 1 I can reduce it. Nhyira 1045. Kukrantumi Jumedian no pay Osuguso uchi Median Papa Kwa Nyamika Michema Mediana ba Kofi Asante Bernard Kusia Pia producer Sanso and I used to be live Ewa your official Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 Yenya Bema Joel and Ewa Hodeba Mamenjen Kratwe na me buy be second round ba the issue of corruption perception index still Ghana according to Transparency International the Ghana Integrity Initiative, the local chapter of Transparency International, the report about say Ghana, you fight against corruption, especially within this current administration, 2018 and 2019, the same 41 score of a clean sheet of 100 score. It's maintaining a position of 80 out of 180 countries. Ghana, question ko Facebook na for comment fato and as we to do come the idea fire your voice note 0244 320564 ye buy bobi na that one come be na dia ka no ye dia to also
say the Ghana for na ngasa ti ase
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho na se media asam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bo be ma na guso adai eya binwa ha soko abiwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abotatwitwa ne nkakra ede bro
eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apamu
ensam a wo bete no ebi areho
akramani gina me ba ne ho eta feeling moja Na me ai na mkache mama se ma. Kana mai na kumiba no.
Ebi so asere.
Na obema wo stars ahodo de bi. She?
Bajai.
Sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says. Or they are more wa feel pa.
This is me kuntuno.
Abe Soko.
Walk, walk, walk. Walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. Love Fitness Walk. Walk. Love Fitness Walk. Oh, walk. Love Fitness Walk. Oh, walk. It's the start of a new decade, and we've got to start right. And the only event that gives you the opportunity to begin right in good health is the Love from Absa Bank Fitness Walk. It's a new year, and therefore we need new energy to brace up for all it brings. So then, come as friends, families, companies, pressure groups, cliques, associations, churches, paramilitary groups, etc. And let's burn some calories you accumulated during the festive season. There will be free health screening, tidbits, and tutorials on healthy lifestyle. There will also be prizes for the best branded group, youngest walker, oldest walker, etc. Get ready for the selfies, refreshment from sponsors, networking opportunity, some brass band music, and jammer experience, and loads of fun whilst we keep fit. Venue is the Kumasi City Mall, 6 a.m. sharp.
Come, let's walk for good health whilst we change from Barclays to Absa Bank Ghana. Absa, bringing your possibilities to life.
Kukrantumi ewo Nhyira 104.5 FM. Kukrantumi ewo Nhyira 104.5 FM.
Well, I Nhyira 104.5 for number one Account radio station. What's good, sir? With Kukrantumi Jumedi, Nhyira 104.5. You're also live on your official Facebook page, Nhyira 104.5. Bomodia, Sobokwano pay a D and Como still in the house, and pay a Akwasiche or no regional communications director and the new Patriotic Party MPP, and we feel no pay a bonnet chap bonnet space or a designer into Natali Beshibi and kwana atade ohye atade kosi chebehye no ebi nukrum ha ono a ono designer ono ahye na atade into no ono so ne eyi no ha ofia Alhaji Sani senior ono so communications team member deba National Democratic Congress NDC so ofia sansana Ose Kofi Akwa CPP youth organizer ono so aspire to be the national youth organizer at the CPP
education chapter of the Convention People's Party. Atade na semino. Tertiary education chapter of the Convention People's Party.
Okay.
The t-shirt and KNUST branch.
That's atade na what is a year
na matcha wade uzu ade waye. Ade gumati. So what I say? And KNUST branch. KNUST branch of the tertiary education chapter. Events a meeting. Ne me intimi correct chairman no wi a me ko ho na at the end of the day why what I say papa any abro so what I say tertiary education chapter of the convention tested Ghana and that's get to was work condition ana no wodin di agora what I say am put it at you and
I think of you know pop with the other issues na into so but answer ne beto aso no mpacho mama fa we infantwa mu answer ne ato aso pani bia ba no pay se ne ho akadwam kakra pani din soba boadu na so ye adwuma Crop Research Institute or ne car in fact ni Toyota Hilux and Nhyira na ni nyina ne se o se parking the car na Toyota Hilux in the car number na GT 116215 a black color budget ni pa GT 116215 black color na edno anajo eno kwada no park wo ni dan ni ma ni fie nim na o sorry anope na car no obi abetu car na de ko Toyota Hilux yi obi etu car na de ko wabomodia so betumi trace kai wa hwa ohumba bia nipa de kan de adwane afa into to samansan so bia wa hu sa Toyota Hilux black color ne car number na GT 116215 no bomodia so betumi afa sa telephone number si 0244 717-588. The 0244-717-588 and a 0240-194-489. The 0240-194-489. And also be friend share from your phone desk on here 03220 83570. 03220 83570 and as a report I'm at the nearest police station be a ben ubia na yama wa handsome reward you mo achede pa pachoni pa no house number no block C say all crop research institute momodia misra wa hu Twitter halos GT 116215 ma yenia super board aso ente na ho machia na baby tuka no e de adwane medamase wa agwasi yeah. Mama says for the next by 5 okay, my man will be at 5 minutes and at 6 minutes and wrap up with the corruption. Kasate say, yeah. Transparency International still, I say mobile, you know, still the commitment to fight corruption, you know. And the form team.
And then no credit.
I didn't ya.
No credit because corruption, no, we fight the corruption. And you know, ko twinti wo de boni pa no ana se ko chi obi aban bia no na djuma de wo dia wo se so na friend ni se omu a omu agencies a omu fight corruption no wo be hwe no resource omu no matimi aye djuma
ba hono you know kapita man mo position am ka se Mahama we corrupt Mahama you corrupt Mahama mumu you corrupt Mahama you corrupt. You were still talking about this corruption.
The resources behind the man bodies no more the concern corruption no.
But buy some more resources.
Resources more than anything.
That ain't just corruption no go.
I know you no was the kind busa there no craft first. Efa ho yesu man no say. So who busa question be na the pass corruption no kwame na be fa so aye be corruption no. Aye nyina collective responsibility. Omo moti project a wo mo je. And no more if a year baby or mojeno, or me as guilty as anybody else.
I feel a moon is on.
Baby, there will be some question. I mean, yeah, no. My name's that we may cano said it here.
But you meet
as I be pencil and make us work cano. I buy any buyer no, or be beat says shreds. Omusika or Modia Juma, Abana Tum. Cassia Office of the Special Prosecutor, Abanati. Ya no so no, the Uyano, Yadia man was or the Yanajuma.
But putting confused with you, your
I know one side of a whole story. After so friends, Auditor General's department, Auditor General Ghana Kazakai. So this is the first time in the history of Ghana. Abana Mana Koyamana Tosa fleet of cars and support Abana Ede Amano. And the Yakano Yame and now Yakaso Mane corrupt is here there. And I just say, you will see Yina, you can see a bay in Humania ye. Who officer. I don't think as a conference digitization in Ebano, digitization Ebano, Ebabebu, and let me eliminate this animal way. Wasn't Pempino, who called baby crack or lance here. Nakosha one crater. Crater, no, you who crater, and I just envelope at the tables. And on one, you be blamono. One day the blame me call, near the Aquacomano. Baby beer will be for beer, as I don't know. So, we call office be na way for baby to table. So, we call say, I say, acquire can't our sister no more. But I dare obey me a year, and they are concerned their baby ye. I will fight I don't know to the latter no. A year, quite our first wife say, agencies of state now by Jumano, obey me about more than why there, or it's also room. You see, I default, going by first or meet me or mutin papa no more there, Juma, a policy for gadgets then. No mubenya no mudia ya juma amana bo investigations no e court say your courts legal offense attorney general's department ne other departments o mu ya joining na so amana resource wo mu ijade e be nyina ne say bitimi aka che bodies na o mu duty e mandated to do that job no ne say ade a wo pepper so de be ya juma no ye de amount console in as in a de womb. Yes, sending in I the console for Fabisio. Yeah, Juma no near Fanco. It will depend on you to make sure, say, where you saw there no Amana day, et me Ayajuma. And it's a holistic fight in the fight against corruption. No, see in Aye. What your committee said Botswana. Said Botswana and you discamano. No catch you said, do you want to corrupt us as you have been doing to your country, sir? They are Debia a hajune. Nigeria and even a casa, say no. So on one himself no more tip. Uranaba or finding them free airport or their cook Jan walk abontene or mano a taxi or their sim or we are no 20 button where you be big crama. What was 1 year? 1 year. That is what ja, not as an Jumana, a dear man is all you know. None of Chiana card the day. But who buy and crew you be so? I have vice versa. Apart from so, I didn't pay no house here, then yet, or improve be PR man or no. The same person, Obawa or Beji. Kodani ebe churu madia jese kakre bi fa kona baby eba nyesa ye tase office we na be kwa yes for between tables so e na be ya baby ofa kwa na nche dia na jeze driver for na na free there na jeze ya je ni si ya je wo mu so ati asese convention and I just oyi envelope na oyi driving license na just put something inside and then you will go and you know say ye nyina ye ntimi an change your mindset no ya ka okra what I say nyina ye ntimi change ya dwene na ka say o man ye man nye corrupter ye betimi aye amana ye e bepinu ya na ye kansem na sani nyina akwa hwesoro but wo do nsasoro no hwesoro wa for no nyina utimi saba be do side what I say ye as a country Ghana no o say nyina na ye de na si form na ye hwese de na ye like if you are Ghana one here abibia ye beblem na asike me for me say efin no wo na odi fin na kugo efin bia ni wo na ya wo de benanti eju ko do gates no ho na wo mu team immediate gata no e ka say efin no na ye message say na ade a hono na ye
but mama just a quick intervention. Who take this particular perception buying this particular report no it's more vote buying. The people have this perception say politicians mutiesika and some nipa to about their mama, especially when it come to internal primary elections. Delegate ni ade te say nchebia MPP mbakoto okoye mo yi say people bad vote. The intention to buy vote no go forward side is still corruption and therefore
it doesn't make a corruption. The first I would do no interest sanity.
But that's the reality.
Who use the word perception?
Oh yes.
And you do the same the word perception.
Perception. But yes,
some perception. The same time I use perception. What's the reality? And you pack as a reality and they say, okay, you don't have any problem. What did I make her say?
But perception could become reality.
It doesn't necessarily follow. Some perception be a reality.
It could become reality.
It could. That is the good word. Only say what's that good now. Could never say what answer standing in. But the mechanic and say could no good. The mechanic and say ye no as a country no. And I was say CCR no so near she. So no you fighting the same. A man buy and so no. A friend say press a act you say I be mama na me boa. Right information. Yeah, the amount. Ningina yes any bia ebeka ho amana boa na information bia wo pen won saka. E ji say the enema ne sisi ho. Ye de na mo nsie ne sisi ho je say de wo ye buchia no. So wan fa ba ko na nka ho onu enye ye. Ti say de ningina sisi wo ye na obia wo m se strategy for e yo madwuma. See ade for yo madwuma bia na ye na dwuma. Course no ye na dwuma. Na court no aye efficient say obia wo gidi say me de asem ne kokota. Menya resource. They say be asem no be court. They be e kodi be say 10 years na asem no ye jan kanwe ya. Na ma nipa na dwuma ye ne den. Aye ne kese ne. E je nyina no e na wo se hwe. Se be zo man ye ya e betumi ye. Ya be se fight corruption na ye nyina na e betumi ahwe na ekun bi e be kono. Yetimi akun amasa corruption no etimi akofo me anya ne sa na se trans na de bia no ya be na akofo ya see perceive corruption ya see perceive corruption. Corruption wo ka ho. Una ye first person. Na me ma be second person. Na we na be second person.
But me na open the second.
Una we first person. Na my
and una corrupt me.
Na make corruption say double edge. Ba ko na de be ko am ba ko aje. E ni pa ba ko pe. E ba to ma me la de ni pa ba ko na corrupt. Obi na de be ko. No bi aje. So obi as no na I watch police stations kra no busy at time. Was it don't take bribes, don't take gifts. They are bribe. Don't take gifts. They are bribe. No matter every police station be
I say we don't take such things here. And we'll be able to say,
what does it? You know, say, yes, no, by your custom, no. Obi ye bibi kra no amana de a ontiase obi se ni wasade ese wo se oye what ase e di ye hwe ne se sa 10 line e wo mu no etimi ifi mo demand one fa we ya mame amenye sei ɛna bi obi ayɛ biribi ama na wo da na se sɛ wo aba me program nam sɛ ɛgye sɔli nso mu gye o ni nyina aka ho bra ɔnyɛ bra wo obi o wa fa ama na story no ɔntro esi da ɔsɛ bi o so dia ɔsɛ ɔsɛ o yɛ
corruption, perceived corruption, still Ghana. The fight against corruption.
Well, topic we are very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. You know why?
I didn't see.
Oh, baby, because it's changing now.
One from no politics. Why in general? One for PDS.
One baby, I want to know for PDS.
Your cousin scandal. Scandal, no say. Scandal, no, ya dear. Ya team, SC. Watergate scandal. SC. Ya give me a jetum. I'm not a scandal. But baby, I will be so say. As soon as I say, allegations are not scandals. Allegations.
For instance, PDS. Scandal.
And scandal.
Ya dear, one minister say fraud.
No minister. Fraud.
But the woman say, "Kwasi cheya mi ninu ana owo opposition awo kasa ni oni
the same
Dabi
Alaji the same
Dabi so no come Mahama corrupt different Mahama ya corrupt
apart from Kwasi cheya papa no o mame obi enu o ni ne seme
Alaji
oh Dabi Kwasi no you have to admit that
Alaji
utie
Alaji
what would you make it and na mo ye corrupt na mo wie way and they are preto monaso
no mens mean
omens now me read bibi or people about omens me to them to am da forming kwa when I'm say wow say na tio
and to wada
wow sanity what is here me to am say omens su ni o yes wa to twade wa yesi nam say nti omens me kwa me to no enti alaji san me nyintum na me so me nantana me nka no say ebra me ntie ovation it will be unfair on my part. So, sa politics ni na si ejai. Say ya preto Kwasi che ni na nado. Enaso no. One baby afede o mde na o man perception. Ye kan ya for instance, Chinese no na they were being attacked left and right. And when we decided so on build this Chinese wall.
Yeah.
To just protect themselves.
Yeah.
After building the wall, no, still nobody attacks. You know where they got it wrong when they say wall in the west. Nipa na wo be gina ho no wo be hweso obi fraba. Wo be bo bena me apam no. One no de ya anya no hwe. Enti no still na wo munya attack. We all believe in the near car woman say, and who quite see a canon. Ghana for Yadrin and I, one a different. Once was all cabos one, I say, but in America. So I mark one a tip now, what to me be so, some native boy. Oh, yes, in America. What the idea no come and several restaurant to cry. What be you so now what the amano? Lawful in America.
Wow.
One friend a trip. But close to show chili bribe back no in America. So until the former President John Mahama when him say as someone say netia near Yesu any a bank. What I say, quite a be faso as a say Yesu bano. And now kind man fa kwa nyameka wanye ena me susu de me pa no so man fa kwa nyameka so nyamame kobra enti na se me yema ni twetia enti na ye de nyakopo aze wo mo mutia no pa ehunu se former president mama ena fom soa oti ase
eti o pa
enya no fom so papa
na ye hwan fom so
na ye oman no mfom so enkoje no waje sesi a ye ka wo ho pe ba bia dodge from we na wo mo yes ade perception we no sesi wo pe different meaning to perception. But this word perception has been accepted by the international community.
Yeah.
True or false? Wamajiatum. Baby, I know yes, will be a
20 years,
but
yes,
the letter and the spirit of that word, the letter, no, I say a perception, but reality, no,
yeah.
That is the spirit. A chronoasam no moka. What did you mention? Anything, Abano, I fairly in that score. Now do a fairly complete
to fight corruption.
Why come on? Anyhow, I didn't think a friend clearing agent. And if any of you as someone president so as some Korean Kosiri, powerful so now Kosiri. Say ye can corruption cases. Ya bakanya oba pamya mi mfria. Alaji Munsoro kwa ye. Yan kan yeda. Because sports for so by your program. What you say? And you know, so what fairly and no idea to my fairly from 17 over permanent improvement back okra mai. Baby ye jina no ahoni ye jina. Anything no nanado any MPP government has failed, totally failed. Wamu de no kra enya efo unum se zero kra ye number. Wamu de ndi ehwe eno bi eni ho. Na wamu kan corruption ajefa ye beka PDS onu kra no kwesi chese de Pierre ye nyina ehunu no ye to maka video capture obi a waji sika edanisem wokoye we ye beka ya osise omuni ya omudi kum enya corruption cases no papa ye baba ho dia si nyina unim dia esre pa wiasema of all the scandals dia enije bepem ne omo de nkrofo no call idea Australia no nyeli pa na do omo
visa scandal still nkrofo no fa wiem omo jirai
Brazil
omo koduriye eni ebusa ba ko se na Ghana FA president friends yesu jira o se na kufuado
alaji sifumuna me come
but what I'm not saying say Brazil is so but me chere say bepemene why no me na nkrofo no ko Minister say minimum hwe obi aso na na do so o enya hwe obi a nya boni bia but Ghana ma esore fa Ghana ha onye journalist onye hwe niam po entinya nipa na yeye
alaji wa me komra
it's pathetic awiraho
aso kofi bam na yem peke course but answer na no tese nyina nim say do Sunday dia ye bibi e fe ne Sunday special na Sunday special chenya me adoma kotoko na ha sese eboyi Sunday special pa ya eje pemutuo ne ade oba classical pa ba chese Sunday special so bo asoro fon so show mu chese ba bia sese a empty the Sunday special dia ba now empty and say me kan jo say o Sunday special na special ampa obutumi akasasa oje 54 pesos pe obutumi akasa for the whole of the Sunday 1 CD 90 pesos obutumi akasa for the whole day and get 20 megabyte of data with 2 CD 17 pesos obutumi afre all network nyina when you 50 megabyte of data we won't pay when up a day or something can show somebody we Sunday special pie the bro every Sunday bia and one say obe send yes to MTN short code 5050 Tirio send yes for MTN code 5050 and sign up to MTN special and get a lot of data and calls. MTN special, you know. Set that we there for you MTN everywhere you go. Osekofi wrap up with the perception corruption index na yempo.
Mama chairman here be aside Frank, don't know friend Franco or Franco computer. Papa,
so this what one month.
Adeba kwa.
Na mama ntem.
Adeba kwa. Adeba kwa. Edin ukrumwa. Enkankane Africa.
say ye change so ya eda achede any catastrophe program. Differentiating between bribery and corruption and gifts in Africa is very difficult because you were a mamre bia any amani bia a yankofua tambiano kofore anim say so mo ya ade ma ye bedo mase na ye be yo maye nti se konfo kra na besa yare a wi a so kotwa nkoko akotu nkusua kotwa ndwane ade
o se bedase
na making but no one we are so that's here na e ka corruption enti e very 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 dicey doing this na enkofo bi nso wo ho a adwuma o man de ama wo mo no ensan adwuma ne the sensitivity any the adwuma ne se the city no omo de achede kra no say your man ni abria o sen kesi ni gina ese eni so mo ja achede amapanye oba ya be hu say na ni abre na nko peso tu ana mo so be corruption e John Dramani Mahama ba ewi achi no na sa na mra no a na ni bra na sa chekere no because ono kwa no mampanye oba ya very good. It's a good question but see that's why you are working with Kumasi BBC. John Mahama kwa no mampanye oba ya o katira nkofo fo madwuma nyina ne se ubetimi agi achede na achede no eni se ho ka no bu $50. What I say? I hear one constitution in John Mahama said it. I was by making can Ghana constitution name Rani Biano. That's the first time I heard it. John Mahama said, say, Utiminia Chedia, I don't want all appointee. I move $50. And I said 250 Ghana cedis, 2.5. It said, Papa, we are Juma, I buy Juma, now John Mahama appointee. Next year more Chedia 5 million a corruption. John Mahama the cancer. Ewe tire no papa na obi abechara chede a ehun ka no eye $100,000 no ade no ase ade say kana zo be kwan owie no ase ya mana adwuma na ye enti oda ase enti biso da kwakoma the presidency any presidential pool so what I say it was wrong. You set your own laws wow so mra no ase abuso enu nti enye MPP ni ndisi asem. Let's not do perception. Because perception say it about no be away am for say yeah say nya bria papa nya nemra police for any somebody achede kra enu nti say me do one na say me gina barrier na am say anything for the boys ah no say anything like what
about you.
No, the mayor Konoko catches no Busam say anything like gang. And I'm just saying, I'm money on my police in it to police in your fool. Or do court. I'm a judge say, God do now or born, who defone us so deep. It's so political. Nobody should be afraid of the police.
You also consider
what time forget about time. As a matter, I cannot be some time. Papa, you are the most corrupt.
I'm only telling you the reality on the ground. I'm only telling you
on the most serious route.
Yes,
the army officers. Let's tell them say they can't accept any form of gift. And you who say at the mwafo or the one you or say, but boasem. Nipa na sasa na bua na nyaje into abrebe wachi abrema ponti we say ni nia baby. I mean, how disgusting can it be? How disgusting can it be? Yanya say obi adwuma bank so that's it na we was a private and both a public nyano utimi nya chede ni set standard no man meye mra papa yetimi nya sade we wia. We will not be talking about perception of corruption among political parties near that day. Politicians are corrupt too.
How many corrupt?
The civil servant.
Yes.
So I go for no, 2 or some of them are director. me F financial officer I would do assembly home city engineer wa sanko for no I would do almost in the clock ran say no I post for omo dey number 1 I post for no oba bia minim no I suspect be that be up no that be up sakoma me no
Oseko for me come Ramadas. I show 104.5 for number 1 I can read 03220 83581 83582 83583 for no page Curtain Plaza. Some can just say all types of curtains. Very beautiful curtains as you see can say there. But media sell them into hotels, offices, student estate officers, interior designers, homeowners and obi na niji curtain be bonus of Curtain Plaza. Now but more Jody, about 15% discount this Christmas and of course this season Bomodia so by Curtain Plaza by Joe Curtis number more than to pump for the amount Kumasi Curtain Plaza you will doom that buy any pampa so Takura day you know bossing na you whole be more Accra you will have show easily gone I would domain Adabraka and if it's Spintex for 0200 227 1011 the 2271011 Curtain Plaza Curtains and more 03220358183582 happy birthday and come madam for Nana Ajima Etafra Jingo or Obuasi Congestion Puma filling station for the Jasbro and now Puma I just can Puma filling station or Congestion and Ajima and your birthday happy birthday to you. Me ntie kakra fide yempeke course kakra ntie man fonso adwene kira wo yeah voice note.
Papa, good morning. I want to say me Nhyira for na especially me Nhyira Alaji Sani na me Israel MPP for no I am so ma monte asese Ghana na nye omo nkwa amode omo nkwa na eto aba
ma ewa shanto jina motene kan.
Papa, good morning. I'm saying the point somewhere Papa me get on attack.
Well, I said I don't know what is happening. Champion pick a course and I am calling say voice note to know 0322083581 83582 for hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa Nyameke.
So did this now Kasafi.
Papa, I'm going to go to Peter Posse.
Ojoma minti na pa yanko yeni.
Papa, we tribute party. And it's now. Why? Papa, me my open so yako. The man yako. And I could see. And I can see. Papa, no ni. About one. Voting in a question. Very calm. The swami me na ko show. E bando 3 years from maturity. To grab up. That's your floor, Medasi.
Mr. Medasi, hello, good morning.
Papa Nyamke.
Yes, I was.
Baba, Mamachara Pai, only I call Cosmo, Kata free. Former Road Minister, Dr. Richard Anna, the Consul, one of Kata free.
Kakubamintio.
Papa, no Perry, and Charlie more about Sonia Catania Kuponshao. Now, Mencher with a champion fan club, Musubina Frankie Boa. So much more, General Menchan, all my made that also. 1 year didn't bow Quarason on Nabadin, Mampa, Papa. Now, the attention and say, Papa, and this is for Pa. Or move for them and chat the whole Ghana Hunshia. No need to Mamma Jamla. Na Pukashania will pour the Atayano. Or move for them go to Malaysia. What already stand a better for from. Nearly a Ghana for this year, a Ghana for Concrono. You don't go trade in a bed where the Cotuaba. Sansa Yantana, and my Diana Sano, yes, Abba Cotuaba. 94, none of mobile 2 million. I don't bet you have no evidence on bet you 2 million. No, we cannot accept this. Hello, good morning. Hello? Yeah, good morning.
Hey, Papa the General.
Hey, me look man, Accra.
Hey.
Not more call there.
Nyami adu mapu performance you say dia me timi boss o na me dabaya.
Anka krakra be ye. Mami ji look man.
Me da se pa, mami chi am communication director, Dr. Kosichi. Alaji Sani dia metia ne ketu e bi sanso e me esa kombi anka me nchia no kra nzo wa be for panti metia ne ketu e bi papa
Look man.
Me ankasa madam for Francis Usu a chow, Gabin, MP den Procra, Maminchiano. Na menkase. Opanyi bi no go so when you the baby kwa fe no opanyi selifu. Ni fie ne wache wo se kai nti no gawu. Ugan zo wo ye ne kaya ne wawu ana papa ni saw. Ugan wo ye ne kaya ne wawu ana. Papa. Dabi. Ko man ye di ugan wo ye ne kaya ne wawu. Nti o ye kira ndi kokoye mu demonstration mu ye no yempene nti eno na chese register ye nyane fofra na ye che date ye si 18th ye ba be register no me hasa alaji sani so benya kukudro papa ko register ndi a ka me papa na no nka ntenya dia me ko me pena ka so nkonko register ndi da me mpene
on preso ko choni di
na alaji what you see okro was ya de no enya dia on be pene enti no sadu maami je se omu ba bebie 18 ye bia ndi wo ka se me papa nkonko trending me ma ne nko
obeko bedase hello good morning
Chris Asmodwe
enka ususu wudi ndi se na ka se fe
Mr. Kunsin Obwase
Kunsin me to won ka chelo no tinden
o nyam na dumo broye me mo high mo official pan so
bedase mama mtio
yo ade wasi ebe en fufuri me oju be bia me ntiase mfa de papa edite mobile na wo chip na say ya na machine angasa chip rishim no say ya nya chip ne be ya to action na to for production na fidasi machine sin nya say yesa ko boy ka fubiom ona Ghana fo yanti biase a ya da ye politics asem oye kawa ya school feeding program mi mo fo de bandino also on ye pesika dan yenye sika waste of money every year they change voting ID card nti e betre ba me yan say politics yen hwe na yan chance yen ka adin ye na asomdwem da Ghana tis asomdwem ka
uncle ususu me to hello good morning hello
papa
yes sir
enkokrafo yin ni
oba nana bokode
onyankopa
mami ti oyini ko
ye pa mami chi onu atiefu nyina doctor akwesi chenso no wachi ana mami send you look my year no you will assign it there kitu abinam de twitwire no na Dr. King nyako kwada so wogina mu den say you know na pone aduchum so ya papa me ma som de tia wa NDC fo ho me nua bi anusi na me baaye register no nyina ya kira ya adwene na mmom efrim ya tenten ya no obi kana ai yehia kwan yehia senti enne na Ghana fo ebe hunu se yehia kwan NDC time no saroto sai logo keke no eno kura ye sika o se tugu ya ka hwesa na NDC fo ta na ti so muntie electoral commission fee say di foforo ho no obetro na di asumdie be ma no ya adwuma na di asa ne sa Nhyira FM papa mu ho sesei ya mo yi modwuma yi ni amoda mo hia se modwuma no be kwa akiri ma ye nyina ye timi akasa memfidie no mu anda ho no eno na mo director na se mo manager no wode mamo se ya di adwuma ma electoral commission no office di ntrofo from e betro na be boa no ma na adwuma ko yi a eno na Ghana fo ye di akire ni ma papa dia na do na kwakufu ado o ye dada
Nyaminka ho have a wonderful weekend. Hello good morning.
Hello, good morning. Papa.
Yes, sir. Who did this? I don't care here, boss.
Me go. Your problem is Benzak. Catastrophe Center Market.
I mean, your Benzak.
Yes, sir. Me to imagine is sir. Register now. Me to imagine sir. We imagine for mobile. For mobile plan and time. Sir, but the time no limited. You guys say mobile plan is that. We are not here we now. Me go try the bata. We have it. No more next year.
That's one pick last caller, Crown Van Count. Last caller, hello, good morning. Oh, Facheme. Good morning.
Papa.
Yes, I'm boss. Juice.
Oh,
Maminti Orano, pay him queen.
Papa, I'm in Shabba Papa. Was for you know, I'm like a beam fire or so a papa. Papa, Kaka make and say, Yana, I am ya. Say who say ubo yura jataba voice no papa so obia tin ye pa utun say adwimpo bi pa adwimfi bi pa etakire pa say on person mo yes new voter register adentira papa why say anka mami jeme say baye na ko kan say ɔnyɛ na pancho no ɔhwɛ ne nkrataa mu no machines no ɛnyɛ nti no yɛbɛsesa no waka dadaada ɛɛda hɔ no mu a nkɔ wei ka obiara ne problem biara o na yɛato aba ɛkɛti 6 regions na ano yɛato aba ama asanomaafoɔ yɛwura sɛnkyire yɛatu no ɛdu na nado ko so a yɛbɛto atu no 2020 ne deɛ ma megye mensa se daabi ɔno wɔmpɛre yɛnyɛ ID card no foforɔ ɛnha deɛ nti asanomaafoɔ deɛ na yɛato no a ɔhu sɛ ɛndi saa take over baabiara no ɛno na ɔmfa adwene sɛ no kante de yampene yamfa kwa bizu ne yemu emana na kufa do mo yene yewu mpene fo mo ka bi ewum se asundwe ba tuni peda ba to no mu a yinya be jama meje mensa so se asundwe mbam so a ma meje mensa ono na ya be jana so me da se papa
me da so me fo mu nyina fansia na yempo akwasi yempo sports for Bright Kankambodu ocha kotoko ne has a tough match pa
that's exactly
yempo
what is that baby the boy dem nya de raji sani na ma me pay ball kakra but apart from that no boy me nya de me obo dem kra ma shem pass menimu mama me fa konya we so menimu
akwasi tama so yera
mama me fa konya we so na me kan che omu a omu dwen se basa be ba ne se basa bia mfiri ba bia ma asundwe ne be ba akosi empra yakopɔ na nkasa be frɛ bia bako yɛnyɛ nsamafo sa sɛ yɛbɛyɛ saa nneɛma basa wo adwen bɔne wɔ timu bia no wo wuti so na bɛbɔ ɛna ɛtɔ so bio no asundwe ɛnyɛ yano ne yɛde po ɛnyɛ yano ɛne yɛde pa asundwe yɛne yɛno na de asundwe ne ba individuals ne yɛ ofu emuanye of blessed memory ukodu la Marie bia no so ni my dear friend la Marie like assemblies no ukodu obia wa tro dia boho o se la paix ce n'est pas un mot c'est un comportement. Peace is not a mere word but how we comport ourselves. Yanko poti yeye ni am ya kasa no honte ni nya say at all cost yampre ya be ye we eja beba ye be put Ghana to what fi ni we be sie o munya nu ntwa no
well you will be NSC BBC Trimamen
mo na mo si BBC
oh dabi Trimamen twen na makora na ye dey ebo eninti no de ye ka na eti obi si ye pa ye mfa petro nko hyepo ene na nkeka ho na mum no ye twen na ye wie a si ye betena sumdwem ye ntena sumdwem no ye bompa ye se nyame me ntena sumdwem na no so nkyere se obi betimi aka ye kasa boa ahye yem eninti no ye baka na mum mi wie kura no me bra ba ko boy Idris duine na ka Alhaji Idris na no wo ma semayi but matis se wa free mu ewo kwadaso estate tino ye be ko all the same
Martin
ye be pa ko che nyankopon hunu mo
so se ko fi ye pon Bright Kankambodu transient tempo
na ba pay no ya sa na nya ya kwatwa so edu won ma be ba 30th papa and say de ye ka che omo a omo se omo fua ebusafo me
ya pon
agodi
pon
ai papa de ye ka che event say omo a omo se omo fua new voter register so te se me ne say eye constitution no and the electoral commission buy constitution ana mana djuma constitution ana mana tumi constitution so emra so opemu ntiremu a ye fa na supreme court enti ye hene court
yakubon ka Bright Kankambodu chance and pay ochira kumasi asante kotoko ne hassle folk and then other discussions I think we will center on that video papa have a wonderful day chairman AG of course says we munya no pay munya mutie bi have a wonderful day she said